Hi, I'm Andy. I'm at the Elegant Media office building today in Melbourne to see if they can take a killer app idea I have and turn it into reality. So let's head inside. So what are the first steps when someone brings you a project?
So we listen to your idea, understand your concept, and make sure that it's feasible. And once we have acquired that, that's when we drill down further. So we sit together, brainstorm, map your idea, the entire solution.
So here at Elegant Media, we have a couple of payment options. Pay-as-you-go option. Essentially what that means is it's a monthly installment. Alternatively, you can pay for the project in full upfront. Totally up to you.
Hi Andy, Tina here. Pleasure to meet you.
Nice to meet you, Tina. So what is your role here at Elegant Media?
Well, so my role is one of the project managers here at Elegant Media. So treat me as a tour guide. I will always be here to tell you where to go or where not to go. Mind that chair right there.
When can I contact you if I have something important or urgent to discuss with you about the project?
So basically any time within the reasonable reason. Sometimes play cricket every Friday, so it may not be the best time. But yeah, so I'm always here to help.
So how does Elegant Media go about building a project?
Well, it's just like building a dream house. Wireframing, the blueprints, design, the look and feel, development of the app, the actual work, and then the live deployment.
Listen, these people know what they're talking about. If I were you, I would call them right now because I, for one, can't wait to see what they do with my idea.